Welcome to the 6th film in our construction drawing series. It offers some recommended reading on the topic of structural design. One important book is Perfect Scale. It condenses decades of personal experience in architectural design and construction to create a textbook. It explains what you need to draw when and how, with details of how to represent and present the structures you design and build. It's available in both German and English. Our series of teaching films deals with many aspects of masonry construction. First published in 1979, Kalksandstein, Die Maurerfibel, Sand Lime Bricks, The Bricklayer's Manual, was written with skilled tradespeople and apprentice bricklayers in mind. Those of you who read German should find the sections on the planning aspects of masonry construction helpful, particularly those on modular coordination, one of the topics we will be looking at in the next series of films. Also highly recommended are the books in the Manual series published by Detail Verlag. The Masonry Construction Manual deals with masonry. It's now fairly old, however, and if you want the paper version, you will probably have to search for it in second-hand bookshops or online. Try your luck. The principles of masonry construction go back thousands of years, so the fact that it was first published some time ago doesn't matter. Some of the books in the Manual series are available to download free of charge as PDF documents from Dresden University Library, SLUB. These include the Roof Construction Manual, which deals with pitched roofs, the Masonry Construction Manual, and the Flat Roof Construction Manual. They are available in both German and English language versions. Again, for those of you who read German, Zusammenhänge, Connections, is one of the best books ever written on structural design. Walter Belz, Professor of Structural Design at the Technische Universität Darmstadt, wrote it in 1993 for his students. Though many of the technical details are now out of date, it provides an exceptionally clear explanation of the relationship between design and construction. The book is now out of print and therefore only available in second-hand bookshops, libraries, and online. Andrea de Plaza's book, Building Architecture, has been the best-selling work on structural design for years. It is very well written and not expensive given the wealth of information it contains. The latest edition has just been published. This, too, is available in both German and English. For those of you with a good reading knowledge of German, we also recommend investing in this book by Peter Scheret for its overview of the topics of structural design and the physics of construction. Our most emphatic recommendation, however, is to subscribe to an architectural journal or review. The suggestion might seem a little outdated in an era when everything is supposed to be available online, but you won't get far as a serious architecture student without one. In Germany, Detail, by the publisher of the same name, appears 10 times a year. It chronicles selected exceptional buildings with a host of photographs, drawings, and other details. In our view, this and a copy of Perfect Scale, which I mentioned earlier, are essential reading. Summary. We recommend that you subscribe to an architectural journal or review, for example the German Detail. Download the Manual series as e-books. Get hold of a copy of Perfect Scale. Our next series of films looks at the issue of modular coordination. We hope you'll be able to join us.